The all-new Action X50 is our adventure sport-driven workhorse. It's designed for photographers who need to pack a full kit of camera gear with quick and easy access in a tough, action sport-ready package. It's perfect for those who pursue adventure in the mountains. Whether skiing, mountaineering, or just hauling gear to your next exposure, the X50 is for those who want the ability to play in the mountains with a lot of camera gear. Compared to the smaller X30 and larger X70, the Action X50 is in the middle for pack depth and overall height. It is sized to work best with our DSLR core unit line and its new integrated side access, meaning if you want to use a gripped body or smaller video setups, keep watching. Both the X30 and X50 have 3 main access points. The first access is an adjustable volume roll top that allows you to pack up to 57 liters of gear. When it's rolled down to a minimum, it holds approximately 50 liters. You can also fine-tune the available space with the side panel compression straps. The top compartment is also accessible by a YKK splash guard quick access zipper, which lays across the upper front panel. When weather and available light don't always allow you enough time to pack perfectly, this lets you remove gear quickly, but more importantly, put it back in. The second access point on the side panel, where another YKK splash guard zipper protects and opens access to the inside of the core unit. This makes for quick access to your camera in terrain where you can't always put your pack down. The third access point is on the rear panel, where our unique door-style opening lives. This access point lets you have unobstructed access to the entire core unit. Access through the rear is ideal when you have a little more time to set up a shot or when you're in less challenging terrain. All Shimoda Action X backpacks feature a removable lining that separates the main camera compartment from the upper section. This ensures gear doesn't fall down into your core unit. The lining has 2 large mesh pockets and a detachable key clip to help keep organized. The rear access door has a padded 15-inch laptop sleeve. Having the laptop against your back is ideal for weight balance. It also makes removing your computer a breeze while commuting through airports or working in cafes. The large front panel pocket makes accessing backcountry equipment used by winter sports enthusiasts quick and easy. It has a sub-sleeve ideal for a water bladder with routing to your shoulder strap. The pocket also hosts 2 more clear TPU pockets for additional gear storage. Finally, our lining is Nile blue, and this helps brighten the interior of the pack, again, helping you find your gear quicker using less energy. The exterior of the Action X30 and 50 is loaded with details and features designed to support an action sports-minded adventure photographer. You don't have to be a professional adventure athlete / creator to enjoy our Action X, but if you are or just want an extra functional adventure camera bag, we've designed the X50 to exist seamlessly in those adventure-thriving playgrounds. Here are some of the X50's exterior features. Grippy TPU compression straps to keep your mounted gear in place. 2 storable side panel water bottle or tripod holders. A large side panel pocket. Glove-friendly YKK side release buckles. A large front pocket ideal for clothing layers, gimbals, water, and mountain gear. A removable helmet holder. Accessory strap attachment points. A magnetic strap for quick fit adjustments. The option to secure gear to the front panel via a multi-configurable webbing system. Industry-leading YKK splash guard water-resistant zippers. An extra durable and water-resistant base panel that allows the pack to stand upright, and 2 padded handles to ease picking up your pack while saving your back. All of the exterior features of the Action X series were created with feedback from our customers and pro team based on the active adventure lifestyles we as creators are living. The Shimoda harness is unique and has quickly become one of our trademark features. Designed to meet the physical needs of today's adventure photographers, our harness has 5 key features that make it stand out from other camera bags on the market. First, the torso height has 4 settings, giving you 4 inches or 10 centimeters of vertical adjustment. This lets the same backpack fit many different size photographers and ensures that the internal 6160 aluminum frame is much more effective in shifting weight off your shoulders and onto the support of your hips. Second, our shoulder straps sit on the front of your chest rather than pulling back on the sides of your pectorals and putting stress on your shoulders. This helps shift the weight off the shoulders to more supportive areas of your body. On the right side shoulder strap, a padded zippered pocket holds most mobile phones, including plus-sized ones. On the left side, a hybrid stretch sleeve with locking zipper can secure a 750 milliliter water bottle, two-way radio, a hoagie sandwich, or whatever else you want immediate access to without removing your pack. The straps also feature webbing rings and loops ideal for mounting our top loader or hanging other personal accessories. Fourth and standard on all Action X packs is our removable belt system, ideal for days when you don't want or need the extra bulk of a belt. On the belt, you'll notice a cutout that allows the upper and lower section to wrap around the top of your hip bone, adding security and comfort to the pack's fit. The belt also features a gear loop, ideal for hanging climbing tools, quick storage of an ice axe, a tripod, or a safety leash for your camera in exposed terrain. The two small mesh sub-sleeves are for getting rid of food wrappers while quickly on the go, but also work for storing small sunscreen bottles and energy gels. The fifth and final key feature to the Shimoda harness is the optional shoulder straps we have created for women and those who want more padding with their pack for heavy loads. The Shimoda harness system lets you create a fit that's perfect for you. All of the components used on Shimoda products are made with the best materials and hardware available that have been thoroughly field tested. We use high-quality YKK splash guard zippers and critical exterior-facing access points to provide maximum weather resistance. Our rear access uses an oversized zipper to ensure maximum ease of use around corners and provide long-term durability. We also rely heavily on YKK components given their history of extreme reliability, performance, and usability. You will notice all of our side release buckles use a glove-friendly, easy to open and close buckle. This isn't just about operating with gloves on in the winter, fatigue also comes into play. Our buckles are simply faster and easier to use than most, a luxury when physically exhausted. Finally, all Action X backpacks are made with a polyurethane, carbonate-coated, high-density nylon ripstop shell. This means that the exterior is extra durable and water-resistant. It performs exceptionally well at letting water roll off the pack and preventing it from pooling and eventually penetrating the bag. Shimoda products work because they're designed as a reaction to real-world adventure. Features and functions are not conceived in an urban office environment. They're created from the pain, fatigue, and suffering we all experience in the mountains. If you're looking for a relatively compact, fast, and agile camera bag to ease the efforts of mountain adventures, our X50 is for you.